Good day, sir. My name is Jefferson C. Balaba from BSMT Department Section S2G. In this video, I am going to show you, sir, how to cancel distress alert using medium frequency and high frequency. First is medium frequency. First, turn off the equipment immediately that sent distress alert. Second, switch the equipment back on and tune it to the appropriate radio telephony frequency for cancellation and set to 2182 kHz. Third, make a broadcast to all stations giving the ship's name, call sign, DEC number, and cancel the false distress alert. Example, all stations, all stations, all stations. This is motor vessel Red Horizon. Call sign, Bravo, Alpha, Lima, Alpha, Bravo, Alpha. MMSI number 091269307111. My position is 15 degrees 45 minutes north, 115 degrees 35 minutes east. Cancel my distress alert of May 15, 2024, 11:25 UTC. Master, Jefferson. Call sign, Brava, Alpha, Lima, Alpha, Bravo, Alpha, 1. MMSI number 091269307111 on May 15, 2024, 11:25 UTC. Second is high frequency. The procedures is same as medium frequency but not the same in frequencies because high frequency is uses 4, 6, 8, 12, and 16 megahertz bands. Example, all stations, all stations, all stations. This is motor vessel Green Horizon. Call sign, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Alpha. MMSI number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9er. Position 37 degrees 44 minutes north, 122 degrees 27 west. Cancel my distress alert of May 15, 2024, 12:00 UTC. Master, Jefferson. Call sign, Bravo, Alpha, Lima, Alpha, Bravo, 1. MMSI number 091269307111 on May 15, 2024, 12:00 UTC. That's all, sir. Thank you.